Hey there, it's Lynette Chandler from Tech Based Marketing. Well, I'm glad you decided to join me again today. I'm going to show you how to create QR codes. Now, if you have not heard of it or you don't know how it works and you really want to have an idea, then there should be another video up in this channel or on my blog uh, going through how QR codes actually work. So you might want to watch that one. But in this video, I'm just going to show you how to create one and put it up on your website and do whatever you want with it. Now, a lot of people think it's harder than it really is, but it's not. It's actually super easy. If you can type an email, you can do this. And the best thing of all, it's free. All right. One of the best free online generators I found was actually created by the Zebra Crossing project, and you see it now here on my screen. You can actually go to the website zing.appspot.com/generator. And as you can see in this drop down, you can actually create a lot of different kinds of codes. You can create one to embed calendar events. Now, this is awesome if you have a webinar, a conference, or any event, a meeting that you want people to come and make it easy for them to enter the information into their calendar. This is great. I love this. The other thing is contact information, of course. This is great to put onto your business cards. And then an email address. You can put your own email address, or I'm going to show you later how to get people to subscribe to your newsletter, creating a email address QR code. You can put geolocation, like where you are or where something is. Maybe if you are into geocaching and all that, that would be pretty cool. You can put a phone number, again, your own, somebody else's, or even support phone number. You can put text message. Maybe you have a program where you tell people to text a certain code in. I've done this before in stores. Tell me to text this code and receive a 20% coupon code. Instead of getting people to type it in, just get them to scan the QR code, and it cuts down the process a lot. And then, of course, it can be text content. It can be a simple message. It can be a URL, of course. If you put it on your business card, um, you can get people to snap it and go to your website immediately to claim something or even subscribe to your email newsletter page. And of course, you can use a Wi-Fi network. So I think this is probably better if you have public networks set up for people to use and stuff like that. Okay, but what I'm going to show you today is how to get people to subscribe to your newsletter using a QR code. So what I want to do, let's say my address to subscribe to the email newsletter is newsletter@techbasedmarketing.com. Now, it's not, this email does not exist. Okay, so don't even try it. But let's say that's it. And where do you get this email address? Now, I don't know about you, but I use Aweber. And in Aweber, every list that you create actually has an email address. And all you need to do is grab that email address and put it in here. If you're not sure how to get it, do ask the support people for your email newsletter service provider. And even if you don't use a hosted service, you use something that's in-house, every email list has its own address. So this is not a big deal. You can find this information. And then you can decide what's the size of the QR code that you want. You can choose any size, really. Let's just go for small. And there you go, it's generated. Now it gives you a URL to send people to, but I don't want that. I want to download it because I may want to print it on my newsletter, on a business card, or on flyers or something like that. So instead, I'm going to download, and I'm going to copy this, save this image to my desktop. And let me see here. Okay, and I'm going to change the name. It always comes with a PNG. All right. And now that it's saved, so what do I do with it? Well, like I said, you can actually print out this image. You can give it to your designer, and they can put it on your business card. They can put it on a flyer, they can put it on a postcard or whatever. All right. But what I want to do right now is just to put it on my website. It's rare that you need to put something like this on a website. It's easier to just tell people to go, link to your newsletter page. But let's just say you want to do it, okay? In this case, I have WordPress. All I need to do is just add new. And okay. And what I'm going to do is click this upload media, select files from my desktop. Okay, where would that be? Right there. Open. And that's it. And then I'm going to change that title to be a little bit more descriptive. And then I want it centered and full size inserted. Okay, of course you can type whatever text that you want in and around it. And let's publish it. And let's take a look at the page. There we go. Isn't this like super, super easy? Well, what if you don't use WordPress? Simple. Pull up your FTP program and upload it. That's all it is. And then just link to the page. Link to the image. It's just an image. So don't let this crazy looking code thing scare you. It's just an image. So treat it like one. All right. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. And go ahead and use it. Test it out and see how it works out for you. Thank you, and I hope to see you at my blog, techbasedmarketing.com/blog, or come join my newsletter, techbasedmarketing.com/news. I love to connect with you there.